Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to allow advertisers to use your TikTok videos for ads. So this is option in the the settings and privacy of the app TikTok, and the first step is go to TikTok. And here in our feed, we need to go to the option of profile here. And here in our profile, we need to go to the superior right corner in the bottom of the three lines. This is the option of settings and privacy. We need to pick here. And here we need to pick in the option of creator tools. So here, creator tools, we need to go to the superior right corner in the option of the settings of the creator tools. And here we need to activate these ad settings, and we can, give to the advertisers the option to use our videos for ads. So you activate ad settings, and that's it. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.